outperformance. But let's move on then. SOBHA posted a good set of numbers in the third quarter. The real estate major achieved its highest ever quarterly sales volumes as well as sales. In fact, realizations as well jumped up by close to 22% on a quarter-to-quarter basis. Mr. Jagadish Nangineni joins us on the show. Hi, Mr. Jagadish. Thanks so much for joining in, sir. Give us a couple of details. 1,100 crores odd is what you have achieved in the past quarter. How are things shaping up in quarter 4? And if you could give us a rough guidance for FY24?
Morning, Nigel. Yes, you're right. We have been very steady in terms of our sales volume for the past 8 quarters or so. In fact, last quarter we did slightly better than that, which is about 1.47 million square feet. So and last year we did about 4.9 million square feet, and this year we aim to do at least 10% over it. And from a price improvement point of view, we have done about 7,900 rupees per square feet last year. And this year we might touch about 8,900, about 13% or so increase. So both put together, we should be able to achieve about 24 to 26% increase in the overall sales value. This is mainly driven by a couple of things which are working in our favor. One is our geographical diversification, that we are present in 11 cities. That's a full cricket team that we have. And we've just added our 12th city, Hyderabad, with SOBHA Waterfront in last month. So that geographical diversification has contributed to good steadiness and improvement. Case in point being this quarter, Q3, Gurgaon has done exceptionally well for us, doing about 500 crores in a quarter, highest ever. And that combined with the fact that we have been steadily launching new projects and bringing in new inventory from our existing projects, both have contributed well. And we seem, I think the steadiness will continue even in the next financial year.
Jagdish, hi, good morning. So wanted to talk a little more about Gurgaon, because now you have 24% of your volumes that come in from there, and that market has grown very well. You said 500 crore per quarter is what you did in Gurgaon, and the highest ever. Is that a quarterly run rate that you can maintain? What would your eventual target be, say, 1 year down the line? Also, in terms of new launches and market share, what are you looking at, particularly from Gurgaon?
The non-Bangalore locations like Gurgaon, they are typically, we have very few projects, 1 or 2 of them, and hence the expectation to do a similar volume every quarter might be tough. But overall, in the medium to long term, our goal is to improve our contribution from our other locations, specifically NCR, and I think we have decent inventory there, so we should be able to achieve higher run rate of sales from Gurgaon as well.
So what are you looking at? I mean, in terms of an average run rate, what would it be like, X of Bangalore?
X of Bangalore, so this financial year, we have done about 30% of the sale X of Bangalore. And that, I think, we will slowly bring it down in the long term to about 55 to 60%.
Jagdish, just wanted to talk a bit more on the launch pipeline. You indicated that SOBHA Waterfront was just launched in last month. So that will show up in Q4. That's the Hyderabad project. What's the overall size, and what about for FY24? Could you give us what are the, what's the launch pipeline, the overall number, and when will it come on stream?
Sure, yeah. The Hyderabad project is about 650,000 square feet in size. And the launch pipeline, so this financial year, we aim to launch about 4 million square feet, of which we have already done about 3.7 this financial year. And in the next 60 odd days, we should be able to do another 200,000 or so. So we will be able to do about 4 million this year. And next financial year, we aim to do better. Maybe hopefully we are aiming for about 5 million square feet in terms of new launches, in line with our sales run rate.
Okay, 5 million.
Yeah. So got that. So FY23 launches will be 4 million square feet. FY24 will be 5 million square feet. You've also managed to pare down your debt. Your collections have been very strong. Plus, that's helping you bring down the debt. Can you give us a roadmap for debt reduction from here on? And if you have any capex plans, if you have plans to buy some land for further project development, could you tell us what is the thinking on that?
You're absolutely right. Our collections, particularly from real estate, have significantly improved. That's largely due to our steadiness in terms of our sales and our ability to make progress in the projects that we have launched. Last year, we did about 3,200 crores in collections solely from real estate, and this year we expected to improve it by about 1,000 crores. That's almost about 30% increase. That's really helped us, like you have observed, in reducing our debt. We have, in the last 9 quarters, we have reduced our debt by about 1,280 crores. And going forward, also, cash flow management is a focus area for us. But now we will start balancing it out with growth, wherein we will invest part of the incremental cash flow that we will have into new lands and our existing commitments.
Okay, all the best for that. Thanks a lot for joining in. Appreciate your comments. That's SOBHA. Very optimistic there. They expect 5 million square feet of new launches in FY24. They've reduced their debt. And Gurugram as an area is doing very well for them. 500 crores per quarter is the run rate that they're clocking in there. It's the highest ever. By the way, look at the market. It's now under a bit of pressure. The Nifty is down about 80 odd.